Well, I haven't made a video in a few days, and I've been pretty busy doing things that are non-video related, but I did finally get my building up, and you can see the old barn here. I'm going to say the peak of that's probably a foot higher than that, and it's a big open bay just like I wanted. With 2B stone in the bottom. And it's been a real treat trying to get this thing set up, because they showed up September 29th and they were missing, I can't remember if they were missing, they were short one of the beams, one of the side beams. So I had to get rescheduled, and I knew right away that was bad news, because the original schedule job was 3 to 10 weeks. So I thought, oh my gosh, September 29th, you're going to reschedule me, and I'm not going to get this thing up in time for winter. But they cram and jam me in. Today's October 23rd, and here it is. Pretty good height there. And of course the M that I've been tarping, the 756 that I've been tarping, and a bunch of other crap probably can fit in here, will go in. But yeah, let me show you. I got the red sides, and no, it's not 2150, and then white roof. I don't think it'll hold a lot of heat anyways, because the front and back are open bay, but in the summertime it can get really hot here, so I wasn't taking any chances. Plus I like the way it looks. I figure about 2 winters and 3 summers, that'll be international white, and that'll probably turn international red, so good enough. Let's get these tractors fired up and see how they look in here. Of course, that one's got a flat tire, because why would I go and put a brand new tire that I have in the barn on there? Actually, I have the set that I bought at auction, and I have a pair that I bought at auction for the drive tires on the 756. Still haven't put them on yet. Hey, why bother? At least I own them. My advice to anybody that's going to put one of these up just to throw tractors in or whatever, order in advance. If you want it put up in August, you order this in May, June at the latest. She told me 3 to 10 weeks. She was about right. You know, and then with the COVID crap that's going on, that probably didn't speed things up at all. But I got the pad pretty level, and actually it was dead nuts September 29th when they initially showed up. And then we just got monsoon after monsoon after monsoon. And my dirt pile, which is behind this shed, it was fill dirt, man. It just turned into mud. So until that dries out, I wasn't able to use it to re-level, but apparently it stayed level enough. I'm happy, I'm satisfied. Let's go, let's grow. Oh yeah, boom! I got the M all fired up. You saw I got the 756 in the shed, and blowing this tire up. I got the handy little Craftsman inflator there, and I know a lot of guys are in a hurry all the time. Oh, that's too slow. Just make time, you know. I'm not in a hurry. I don't care if it takes 3 or 4 minutes to inflate that tire. I don't. But one thing's for sure. 2 things hopefully are going to happen this week if we can stay dry. I'm going to head down to Steve's and finish disking what I plowed probably, I don't even know, man, a month ago, 3 weeks ago, and take these front tires off and put new ones on. I've got them in the barn. There's no excuse to even need to be doing this. I bought some brand new 650 16s. That's what I run on these. Of course, those are 15.538, so it balances out pretty nice. So you can hear this this M run. I keep the tank full all the time. I do run non-ethanol in it. I know some people get butthurt. Well, how can you be a crop farmer if you're running non-eth? Man, I just do. I do what's best for the machine, not what's best for me. It's just not how it works all the time. And but it'll be nice to get this thing in the shed, and it is red, but that's okay, because so is the shed, and it won't be long before it comes out. Like I say, we'll probably, if we stay dry this week, I'll be disco ducking, And I know a lot of you guys are too young or too old to know about disco duck. That's what we're gonna go do. So let's get this thing pulled in there. Well, they got themselves a home. Listen to that thunder. And I've had this sediment bowl filter in there for, oh, I don't know, maybe about a year now. I do take it out, clean it out like you should, but it's worked like a dream. And for all you new viewers, I'll just show you real quick. Got an inline and an in sediment bowl. So I run clean fuel. I've learned. Rebuilt that carb about 2 years ago, and I haven't had to touch it. It's adjusted perfectly, the whole 9 yards. Now, just looking at this from a size perspective, and I should tell you the walls are 8 feet, the side walls, but I didn't get any of that, I don't know, up front here. It takes away from your entrance, I think. So that should be 9 feet in theory, that peak. Could be 9.5, but it's at least 9. So there's enough room easily back to 400 in here, and probably an A or a C right there. I mean, you could put 4 tractors in here, no problem. So any H is in the barn, it's always been in there, but yeah.